Okay, hello people. Today I wanted to talk to you how to fix bevel issue in Softimage program application, especially when you work with brand new polygons. Because I was facing one serious issue. I wanted to tell you when you start when you start modify polygon, whatever you do with polygon, sometimes it may come up one strange error. Okay, let me to assign material. Okay, give me a few seconds. I just have to assign material. Okay, because sometimes you try to modify and your gizmo may not show up correctly. Hopefully, I will be able to show you local. Sometimes, when you modify your polygon, gizmo doesn't display properly or you face bevel issue. I wanted to show you how to fix that problem. I just have to use several tools to show you. Where is knife tool? Okay. Okay. Okay, I will be able to help you because bevel components, this sometimes looks flat, and I know how to fix that. And there's one option because Blender and program here 3ds Max sometimes it faces that issue, especially when you modify polygon for a longer time. There is option which will help you to fix a gizmo and bevel edges. Uh, you have to use freeze all transforms, freeze scaling. This option helped me to fix when gizmo did not display properly because gizmo was looking flat, something like that. After using this tool, I was able to fix bevel issue. This only comes up when you work with polygon for a longer time. Okay, I just have to check something. This will help you to fix, especially when you try to create a model like that, and when you move a lot vertices. Like this helped me to fix that polygon because I was moving vertices because I tried to create computer share. And remember about option transform? You by left mouse button, you click that. Freeze scaling, freeze all transforms. I don't know if you're supposed to use this, but I use the freeze scaling and freeze all transforms. Those two options helped me to fix bevel issue and gizmo because I couldn't place gizmo in local mode. It was looking very weird and flat. See you guys.